Hello there, math fans. This is Dr. Andy Lovelace. I'm going to introduce a projects gallery I've been putting together. This is the summer of 2025. I'm teaching a course kind of last minute. We threw this together, and I feel bad for my students that we haven't been more organized. But the ultimate outcome is to put together a collection of projects and ideas, harnessing things I've thought about that might just be of interest that we could maybe use in our calculus classes in the future. I'm about to sort of introduce several of them for those students. I just made several more. And so I thought I would make this little intro video with sort of a promise of things to come. I haven't had a lot of time to contribute, videos to this channel, but I hope, once I get through this summer and into the fall, I could think about things that I could produce that maybe my faithful viewers would want to see. So anyways, a few comments here. So this is, you just have to search for Andy Lovelace, go to Project Gallery. Many of these are projects I did when I taught this honors calculus course many years ago. So I thought the projects were dead. Like I had a Distance to the Horizon project. I had a Math Playground project. Wrote those many years ago. I did a How Good Is Your Coffee Mug? So I started to collect in the last week a bunch more ideas that I'm going to sort of offer to my students to build off of. So they're more drafts. But I'm making this video and this series of videos here mostly to get what would interest you. Now some of these older ones like the playground math I need to redo. Like some of it I would do better now. But some of these geometry questions, different ways you can cut a sphere in half. If you've ever been interested in revolving around a slant axis, some of these I have not really thought about in detail before, so I've enjoyed just writing things up. So the goal of these projects isn't for it to be complete. The goal is just to give kind of a starting place if you wanted to study that a little more. And I ask follow-up questions. So I'm trying to make them all just one-page little nuggets, and eventually I'll add some animations and things. The pancake cutting I did a long time ago. So anyways, stay tuned. If you have things you would like to know more about, questions you have that you've taken in your calculus courses and wish you knew more, please let me know in the comments. And if you play around with one of these projects and you come up with an interesting question, you can let me know in the comments or shoot me an email. All right.